We are back with one of our favorite beauty experts. She's got the latest and greatest spring beauty trends for you. So please welcome the founder of thebeautygirl.com, Nicole Pearl. Hi, Nicole.
Hi there.
Happy spring. I know, right?
Spring.
Okay, so let's get to it because you've got 7 products and we want to make sure we get everything in. First, textured hair.
Textured hair is big. We saw this at Tory Burch and Ryan Lowe. And I love that Oribe is really embracing the trend with their new Moisture and Control highly textured hair collection. There's 4 products. They are meant to define and detangle your curl. They won't leave it crunchy.
Oh yeah, you cannot have crunchy hair.
This is a great product line to really enhance your texture.
Okay, can every
For
hair type?
everybody, and especially for African American hair types and all different types of hair types, these products will really hydrate and leave you with beautiful bouncy curls.
Oh, lovely. All right, I'll have to rock that on the weekend. Okay, next up, clean beauty.
That is a big buzzword right now, and a lot of people are like, what is clean beauty? It is essentially bringing together the best of science and nature. Nuria is a new skincare brand that I love because they're embracing this movement. So you will find plant-derived ingredients along with ingredients made in the lab. Their mission is wonderful because they really give back a portion of their proceeds to girls' education around the globe. And they really have something in the collection to really solve whatever your skincare needs are in that moment.
All right, I love that. All right, now a trend is shimmer nails.
Shimmer nails.
What decade was that when we were doing shimmer nails?
You know, it's so funny because like the 70s has really inspired a lot of these trends, and the manicure of the moment really has this pearlescent finish. And I love that Morgan Taylor has this beautiful new Color of Petals collection, and there's 4 different shades. One, Follow the Petals. I'm wearing it now. This was actually worn on models' nails at the Rodarte fashion show. So next time you think about a mani, go for a pearlescent finish.
Pearlescent finish. Okay, not glitter, just pearlescent.
Right.
Or a little something.
A little shimmer.
Right. Okay, now let's talk about some high-tech beauty.
High-tech beauty is so fun, and you're gonna love this. This is the Nira. This is a new at-home skin laser. You will get professional results, but this is at home. No redness, no downtime. No, it's not painful at all.
Okay.
You use this around the eye area. It will reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it's used 4 to 6 weeks.
Oh, really?
Very easy to use. I tried it out. You'll love it.
So how do you do it?
All you do is you turn it on, and then you could choose the frequency. You press the button and you hold it against your skin and you feel it. It's a little bit of heat and it just has a little bit of a buzzer, and you follow it along.
I was going to say, I'll tell you not so you don't have any issues. You can just move it along.
Move it along a minute a day on each eye. That's it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we want to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. We're trying to fight Mother Time. Okay, so now glossy lips.
Yes. I say put away those matte shades and let's go for glossy textures.
Okay.
Borghese has this beautiful new Shine Infusion lip gloss, 8 shades. I know that you'll love all of these. They've got argan oil. They have the payoff of a sheer lipstick, but a super glossy finish. I've been playing around with all of these colors. They're really beautiful, from natural to brights.
Oh, they look amazing. I don't even know which one I want to play with, but you know I love them all too. This looks like, I don't know.
Yeah, this is like a nice natural color, if we can get this off. Sorry, everybody. But this is like a great everyday putty pink for that very, that will look pretty over your lipstick, actually.
That's
good choice.
Kind of hot.
Yeah, this is the shade Devotion.
Devotion. Isn't there a song? Right?
Could be if it's not. I don't know.
Monica says, very pretty. Thank you, Monica. Okay, I'm obsessed with the next thing, and this is all about the festivals.
Yes, because the concerts are back in full action, and you want to sometimes have a little bit of street cred at these festivals and play the part, even if you're not naturally boho or what have you.
Right.
These are amazing temporary tattoos for adults. They're inked by Danny. They are a risk-free way to really play up this trend. There are so many beautiful tattoos. They're hand-drawn. There's black and white, there's color, there's glitters, this is the Jet Setter pack. They're easy to travel with. These are so fun for all those festivals going on.
Wait.
So you got to play with those. You can even customize them too.
You can get a customized
yes.
one?
So
if you're thinking about getting a permanent one, you can get this one
and
to see if you'll like it.
It's the perfect way to, experiment.
Oh, it's on. It's so on. I'm going to be all tatted up Monday. I'm going to have a full-on sleeve.
Love it.
All right, and then also for spring, you need some hair jewelry.
Yes. So barrettes are back, but in a new way. We're seeing a lot of celebrities wear the barrette. Kendall Jenner is a great example.
Okay.
The key is to slip it in along the temple. And So
I think
there's a photo.
Yeah.
And the other thing we're seeing just in that photo is a ton of celebrities. I see it's right on Kendall Jenner.
Yeah.
All over social media, they're doing the double clip. So the nice thing is you don't have to spend a lot of money to pull off the trend. These are from Lulu's. Two are $12.
Oh, that's a good price.
And you're right on trend. Allows you to feel like you can, again, experiment, try it out, and have fun with fashion and beauty.
Oh my, barrettes. I never thought barrettes, like you wear them like this with their back.
They are fully back.
All right. Well, before we go, I actually wanted to tell you about this new jewelry line by a female Ghanaian entrepreneur. It's called Kueh, which stands for Keeping Us Authentic. And you gotta love that. Beautiful pieces worn by some of our favorite celebs, including Gabby Sidibe. You can actually get your own Saturday at Evolve Her in River North. And I have a pair of her earrings. They're gorgeous, and I forgot to wear them today, but I'll wear them next week. They're leafs, they're beautiful. So yes, let's support females. All right, for more information about the beauty products that you saw here today, please go to NicolePearl.com.